Hey everyone, how are you? Hope you are well. So today we're going to talk about what is going on with Ethereum. So Cathie Wood, her company ARK Invest, they filed for Ethereum ETF, a spot Ethereum ETF. They filed that with the SEC. As you know, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency. So she did file that with the SEC. It directly holds Ethereum. And so, in the event that this is passed by the SEC, so you know the SEC has been resistant to these ETFs. So, but in the event that it passes and it becomes the ETF, this will make it easier for people to get into. It would also make it more secure because as it is now, if you don't have it in a cold wallet, it's not secure. So there are stories of people being hacked and losing all of their money. For example, Coinbase, that happened to some people who use Coinbase. The hackers get into the Coinbase and then just take everything you got. So there have been some stories with that in relation to Coinbase. There have been some stories of people missing their crypto off of exchanges, like just all of a sudden it's just gone, like putting it on exchanges. So, in the event that it becomes the ETF, there will be a higher level of security. So, it will be backed and it will be more secure in the event that it turns into an actual ETF. This will also allow people to diversify their portfolio. As you know, diversification is a good thing. So that's the latest update in the crypto world. Cathie Wood, her company, ARK Invest, they just filed with the SEC for a spot Ethereum ETF. So I did look at some predictions on what the analysts are predicting that Ethereum will go to. Currently, Ethereum is at 1,636. Based on the predictions of the analysts, they are predicting that Ethereum could go to 50,000. So it currently is at 1,636. The prediction is that it could go to 50,000. So some people are extremely bullish on Ethereum. They've been in Ethereum for a while now. Then there are other people on the other spectrum who are, they just have their toes in the water. And then there are other people on the spectrum who are not in it at all. So again, in and when and if it becomes the ETF, it will be easier to get into. It will be more secure. So you wouldn't be concerned about a hacker getting into it, stealing your money, or just the money just evaporating. So it would be secure, and then it would be provide a level of diversity to diversify your portfolio. So the same people who are interested in pushing that Bitcoin ETF are also interested in the Ethereum ETF. And when and if this passes, there will presumably be more cryptos that will be pushing for their ETFs. So this is the current thing going on in the crypto world, is getting crypto into actually ETFs, making it more available to the public, making it more secure for the public, and then allowing for a diverse portfolio. Again, they do expect Ethereum to climb. The analysts are saying 50K. Currently, it is at 1,636. So, this is just some additional information on what is on the horizon, what people are pushing for, what people are fighting for. So, in the crypto world, they are fighting for ETFs. fighting for the Bitcoin ETF. And now, just recently, the first spot Ethereum ETF was filed by Cathie Wood. This is the first spot Ethereum ETF. So this is the growing trend in the crypto world, ETF. So when and if that passes, that will be a good thing. Something easier to get into and something safer to get into, with a prediction that the number is going to go sky high. So I saw another prediction on Bitcoin by some of the analysts. For Bitcoin, they're predicting that it will go to 150K. Those are some of the predictions that I saw for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is currently at 25,787, and some of the analysts are predicting that that will climb to 150K, 150,000. So this is what the analysts are predicting, that both of those cryptos will be going sky high in the future. There are people out here who are extremely bullish on it. But like I said before, the ETF will make it a lot safer instead of being concerned about the money just evaporating out of nowhere, or some of the scams that you've seen in the media, like FTX, for example. That would be pretty much eliminated with an ETF. So getting the scammers out of the way as far as crypto goes with the ETF. So more security, easier to get into, and then providing a level of diversity. So that is the latest update. Cathie Wood filed the first spot Ethereum ETF, her company ARK Invest. So do me a favor, before you leave, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Also, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about crypto as a whole? Do you have crypto? And if you do, are you in it a little bit? Not at all. Not at all. A little bit. Or are you bullish on it? So where are you in the spectrum as it relates to crypto? All right. Especially with all the news that we've been seeing on media, with the scammers out here with FTX. Where are you at with as far as crypto? And then you can see where we are potentially headed in the future. They are pushing for ETFs. So we will see what happens. So before you leave, do me a favor, hit that like button. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your night.